Hey there, design enthusiasts. Some exciting new trends are coming in 2024, and I can't wait to tell you about them. Please consider liking the video and subscribing if you would like to see more videos like this. Bento is a Japanese style of organizing lunchboxes with different grids and elements. Everything's in its place and visually pleasing. That's Bento Box design. We're talking grids, varying sized boxes, and layouts so clean, it's an enjoyable combination of elegant typography, crisp images, and simplicity. As we know, Apple is well known for its Bento Box designs because Bento grids offer this sense of organization and uniformity. They feel very modern, the whole thing just works together and offers interactivity. Bentos can be done on the web, mobiles, and other software. They are just simple, attractive, and easy to use designs that are great for any project. You can make them flat, skeuomorphic, textured, or minimal. But this is going to be the biggest trend this year. There is a site that offers you a Bento-style personal page with your personalized name, which is free. It is called bento.me. Whisper no more, because typography in 2024 is going to roar. We're talking about bold, assertive giants that draw attention. These will add some serious personality to your interfaces and establish clear hierarchies. Massive typography used on the web is going to stay in 2024. This typography attracts the users, and it makes the design look clean and minimal. Again, this year's design trends are filled with fun, experiments, and a little bit of playfulness. Put an end to those boring loading bars and spinning circles. We are discussing animation, which is an artistic medium as well as one that is useful. But complex animation isn't just about eye candy. Your user experience could be enhanced by it. Think of subtle micro-interactions that guide users' attention, smooth transitions that make navigation feel like a dream, and loading screens that entertain instead of annoying. It enhances the beauty and usability of your design. Adding depth, emotion, and personality to your interfaces through complex animation elevates storytelling to a whole new level. Only 5% of you watching are subscribed. If you enjoy our content, hit that subscribe button below. It helps a lot. Thanks to our current subscribers, and if you're not one yet, join the community. Now, back to the video. Brutalism design is a raw, imperfect aesthetic that embraces the beauty of the unconventional. We're talking photorealistic retro-style images, quirky cutouts, and a healthy dose of typographic consistency. Moving away from sad and neutral color palettes and toward colorful and gradient colors is an exciting trend. Gradients are used pretty much everywhere. This transition is possible because of the introduction of brutalism. With a variety of gradients and textures utilized throughout the web and mobile designs, they are far more appealing and fun. 2024 is all about unique interactions that feel like playing a game. The user wants to be wowed and impressed by unique interactions, and this is a great way to do it. It's not adequate to just throw animation all over the interface. Instead, it should be used minimally to draw attention to the key components of the layout. The animation layer needs to be fluid for the product to be beneficial and not wait for users to wait for the animation to be completed. There will be a lot of interesting interactions and 3D objects in the 2024 design trend. Thank you for watching. I hope you will continue to support me and encourage me to make more videos like this. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.